Friends, welcome to another DaVinci Resolve tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can save time when you edit by using paste attribute in the edit page. So this trick is very simple. You copy the information from one of the clips to the next available clips according to your preference. We all use inspector quite a lot. We make changes in the transform areas, cropping, dynamic zoom, composite, and stabilization, and other things here. And if we want to copy the same information from the inspector to the next available clips without going into every individual clips, then we simply can copy and paste the information to the next clips. But it's not simple copy and paste. I'm going to show you how you can do that. So let's say if you look at this clip, I made some changes in the transform area, and if we go to the next clips, as you can see, I have a space in the left and right, and I want to apply the same information from the first clip to the next available clips so that I don't need to go through every individual clips. First we copy the information from the first clip, make sure that it's been selected, and then if I want to apply the same information, let's say to next available clips, I select them all and then right click, and from there paste attribute. You also can use paste and V as a shortcut, and then make sure that you tick the box here, video attributes, if it's not been checked, and then hit apply. Now if I go to all the clips here, as you can see, the left and right part has been filled up, and the information from here has been copied here. You just about use Command C and paste, and then press Command and B for pasting. Instead you use paste attribute to get the information from previous clip to the next clips. So friends, this is how you can save time of your editing by using page attribute. I hope this tutorial will help you. Thanks for watching.